What's up guys, Sorcerers here, back with another video, and today I'll be showing you the simplest trick that you'll ever see in your hot young lives. Let's get into it. Alright, so I call this trick the heist. Stay with me. Alright, so this trick obviously involves the 4 jacks, if you will, but they're not all called jacks in this scenario. The first one's called, well, let me think of yes, the first one's called Jack, of course, right? The second one's called Jeff, right? Third one, Jasper. Sorry, I'm just making these names up, like, on the spot. And the third one could be called, like, Joe. I don't care.
My name is Jeff.
So this is about these 4 J's right here. And they wanted to do a heist, alright, on this building right here. So what they decided to do was enter the building from the top. And slowly, one by one, everyone goes inside in the middle of the building, approximately, right? Except for the last one. The last one was just there to, like, keep a lookout from the top of the building to see if any cops were there. But somehow, they all made it out alive without being caught. Mind-boggling. Let's learn how to do that. Alright, this is how you do it. You need 3 extra cards. So what you want to do now is you have your 4 jacks ready from the beginning. Now what you want to do is get 3 random cards. It could be anything, right? And you just put 3 random cards on top of one of these jacks right here. So I'm just going to use the jack of hearts. Put 3 random cards on top, just like that. And now you have 4 cards, right? Just like this. And now what I'm going to take is these 3 of the jacks right here. Hold up a sec. And you're just going to put this jack, right, this jack on top, just like that. But obviously have a thumb break on it, just like that. Alright, so you have your thumb break right here. Now what you want to do is take your left hand, right, grab the 4 cards, right, which is supposed to be 1 jack. So you want to grab the 4 cards from the top, from your thumb break, just like that. And present the first one. And then when you have with your left hand, you're going to slide out the card and then flip it with this hand, right? Flipping it like that. And then you're going to do the same with the other ones, just like that. And then the last one you can just flip over like that, right? And then you're left in this position. So 3 random cards and then 4 jacks. And then you're basically done the trick now. You just put the 8 cards on top. My bad, guys. Put the 8 cards on top, and now you do whatever you want to do. Like, you just make up any story. Like, you can use my story if you want, the heist. So you just put 4 of them inside, or 3 of them, my bad, and the last one stays on top. Just be like, I don't know, the last jack was like keeping a lookout. Alright, keeping a lookout. And then you could just be like, oh, snap my fingers, or do whatever you want to do. All of them are on top. Great trick ever 2017. No clickbait. We're the Sorcerers, and we're out.